Ryan Breton has our forecast. I took a little walk around the block this afternoon because I thought, okay, we've been above freezing for 2 days now. Good amount of melting, but you could clearly see areas that are not in any sunlight.
Yes.
Still a lot of ice on sections of sidewalk.
Yeah, and if you throw a little melt down, it'll do the
It'll do the
job
trick.
with the temperatures.
Okay.
The sun has done it in the places though.
Where the sun is showing up, yeah, big difference there.
Absolutely. Remember last month whenever we showed that calendar, it was blue square, blue square, blue square all the way through?
So low in the temperatures.
We're changing it up a little bit this month.
Okay.
We continued the trend to start the month with several days well below average, but now we're going on about a week of warmer than average weather. Today we hit a high temperature of 43 degrees in Portland. Here are the numbers for Bangor, a high temperature there of 40, and after today we'll swing the average for the month on the positive side. That said, this January thaw is just that, a thaw. There are signs winter will return in a more traditional way. We have one shot of cold air that comes in on Friday, then another one will reload behind it and likely build in for early next week after a milder weekend. And after this one pulls away, there could be an even colder shot that builds down at the end of next week. So the bottom line is the cold is not far away and it will be coming back after this little break we've had for the last several days. Right now there are a few snow and rain showers off to our west. These are going to come in tonight. It's not going to be a big system for us though, and out ahead of it the wind is from the south, and that means the temperatures don't drop dramatically tonight. So these will be in the form of some snow through the foothills and mountains, but more likely some sprinkles or rain showers closer to the coast late tonight. Again, there could be a dusting in spots. It just doesn't look like a big problem, and it's largely out of here before daybreak tomorrow. There will be some sunshine for a while tomorrow morning. Not completely sunny like today, but some pops here and there. Clouds will be thickening up as the day goes along, but there isn't much rain through the day tomorrow. I think it's largely dry other than a stray shower during the daytime hours. And again, we have a southerly wind tomorrow, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. And that will push temperatures along the coastline up into the mid-40s. And if you're heading south, upper 40s on the seacoast. Boston probably gets close to 50 degrees tomorrow. Across the north, we're in the upper 30s to near 40 degrees for high temperatures tomorrow. Tomorrow night, there's another round of some moisture that moves in with a higher chance for showers. I don't think it rains all night tomorrow night, but the snow is probably confined to the higher elevations of northwestern Maine up near the international border. Elsewhere, it's mild enough for largely rain showers. There will be a steadier area of rain just to our east that could back into eastern Maine for a little while Thursday morning, but it just doesn't look like the total amount of precipitation with this is all that much. We're mild out ahead of this cold front, which is going to come in Thursday afternoon, and then we drop the temperatures dramatically Thursday night into Friday. As for the snow with this, you're really going to have to get up in elevation or up near the international border. The most snow will fall just over the border up in the St. Lawrence Valley, while the rest of us see largely rain from this next system. Temperatures are going to drop dramatically though Thursday afternoon and Thursday night. This is noon on Thursday and we're still well above freezing, but by evening we're starting to change the wind direction, and here comes the cold. It sweeps in by Friday morning. We'll have actual air temperatures in the single numbers north, teens in central and southern Maine, and the wind chill will be a factor out there on Friday too. It's really just one day of cold though. It eases a bit for the weekend, but there will be some small chances for snow as we see it now. Seas tomorrow 4 to 7 feet, southwesterly winds 15 to 25 knots on the water. So tomorrow lots of clouds. Some showers are more likely tomorrow night. If you're up in the elevation and up near the Canadian border, those can be in the form of snow, but for most of us it's going to be rain. Dramatically colder Thursday night into Friday, but it's a one-day cold shot. We moderate things a bit over the weekend. Could be a flurry on Saturday and possibly some snow showers on Sunday. Then as the next round of cold comes in early next week, we'll have to see if a storm does form on Tuesday. But right now we'll just keeping an eye on it.
Yeah, lots going on.
Yep. Okay. We'll be ready for the cold again, Ryan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.